So you go into a car dealership, right? And the salesman comes up, hey, how's it going? How can I help you? Real quick. You're like, oh, just looking.
Yeah.
Right. It's a knee-jerk reaction. But if I slow down my tone, hey, welcome into the dealership. Are you guys out just maybe kind of looking around today, or what's going on? I just slow down my tone. Are you out, looking around? Yeah, we're looking around. Do you know what you're maybe looking for? Like, I'm kind of confused, right? So I draw them in.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like how you shift your tone, like how you slow down, like verbal pace your questions out that really cause a prospect to actually engage with you.
Yeah, Jeremy Miner is another person that I really respect and really like the way that he sells, because he sells in a way that's not even selling. He's helping you to understand what you want, what you believe. But in the dealership, man, that is the only thing that you usually hear whenever you first talk to somebody. You don't even have to say anything. You literally just walk up to them. Before you even introduce yourself, say hi, they'll literally say, hey, just looking. They'll roll down their windows. Hey, guys, we're just looking. Sometimes like, hey, no problem. What are you guys looking for? Just looking. And like, they'll say that like 5 times. Like, just straight up. That's the only thing they know how to say a lot of times. Customers are like, just looking, just looking, just looking. And it's interesting because a lot of other sales guys would get upset with the buyers, with the clients for that. And at the end of the day, we know they're going to say that. So why not just prepare for what you already know they're going to say instead of getting mad at them for saying it, which all of them say that every single time. So instead of you getting better, you just blame the customer. It's crazy how that works. So at the end of the day, if you want to learn more about sales, then you can always follow me for more tips, or we have some coaching where we will teach you how to do better in sales.